Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. How are you today? Well, now we will study English. Are you ready? It is for fourth class. Please prepare your book Happy English for Elementary School. Grade 4, Chapter 3. Okay, now please open your book, page 24. What is it about? Well, about farm animal. Alright. Number 1, repeat after me. Yes, repeat after me. Number 1. Yes, what is it? It is cow. Cow. Okay. Number 2. What is it? Buffalo. Buffalo. Right? Number 3. Yes. Okay. Horse. Horse. Number 4. Number 4. Yes, coat. Coat. Number 5. Number 5. It is sheep. Sheep. Number 6. It is rabbit. Yes, rabbit. Okay. Yuk kita ucapkan sekali lagi. Number 1, cow. Number 2, buffalo. Number 3, horse. Number 4, coat. Number 5, sheep. Number 6, rabbit. Oke. Nah, sekarang coba kita artikan ya. Kita artikan dari nomor 1. Cow, apa cow? Ya, sapi. Oke. Number 2, buffalo. Kerbau. Oke. Number 3, horse. Ya, betul. Kuda. Number 4, goat. Ya, yang biasa waktu lebaran hari besar. Itulah ya, kambing. Bagus. Number 5, yang diambil bulunya di Australia ini ya, banyakkan itu domba. Number 6, hafal semua ini ya, pasti ada yang punya ini. Kelinci. Good. The next, selanjutnya. Number 7. Tirukan ya. Repeat after me. Cock. Cock. Number 8. Hen. Hen. Okay. Number 9. Duck. Duck. Number 10. Yes, number 10. Dove. Dove. Number 11. Yeah, number 11 is quail. Quail. Number 12. Okay. Bee. Bee. Oke, mari kita ucapkan sekali lagi. Number 7. Cock. Number 8, hen. Number 9, duck. Number 10, dove. Number 11, quail. Number 12, bee. Oke. Baik. Sekarang kita translate into Indonesian. What is it? The meaning. What is the meaning of number 7? Cock. Ayam jago. Number 8, ayam betina. Number 9, duck. Apa duck? Bebek. Ya, bebek. Number 10, dove, burung merpati. Number 11, quail, yang telurnya kecil-kecil, burung puyuh. Number 12, ya, tawon. Yes, okay. The next, selanjutnya. Selanjutnya is farm animals give. Ya, apa yang diberikan oleh binatang ternak tadi? Ya, memberikan apa yang diberikan ya? Coba. Yang diberikan adalah number 1. Repeat after me. Eggs. Eggs. Number 2. Yes, number 2. Honey. Honey. Number 3. Yeah, number 3. Milk. Milk. Number 4. Number 4 what? Meat. Yes. Meat, right? Number 5. Yeah, number 5. Number 5 is feather. Feather. Number 6. Number 6. Wool. Wool. Okay. Translate into Indonesian. Number 1. Eggs. Apa eggs? Telur. Number 2. Honey. Madu. Ya. Bagus. Number 3. Yes. Bagus sekali. Susu. Number 4. Daging. Ya. Number 5. Bulu. Ya, bisa bulu ayam. Bulu yang buat kok itu. Bulu mentok ya. Bulu mentok. Dan number 6. Wool. Ya. Kain wool. Okay. The next. Nah, the next is animals. Animals eat. Jadi apa yang dimakan oleh binatang-binatang itu tadi? Kita lihat. Number 1. Repeat after me. Jadi tirukan. Okay, what is it? Grass. Grass. Okay. Number 2. Number 2 is leaf. Leaf. Number 3. Yes. What is it? Number 3. Carrot. Carrot. Number 4. Number 4 is, yeah, corn. Corn. Number 5. Number 5. Bran. Bran. Number 6. Number 6. Seats. Seats. Oke. Kita ucapkan sekali lagi ya. Number 1. Grass. Number 2. Leaf. Number 3. Carrot. Number 4. Corn. Number 5. Brain. Number 6. Seats. Okay, now we translate into Indonesian. Number 1. Apa number 1? Ya, number 1. Rumput. Ya, rumput. Number 2. Number 2 is daun, daun-daunan. Number 3 is wortel. Number 4. Jagung. Ya. Number 5. Bekatul atau dedak. Ya, dedak ya. Number 6. Ya, biji-bijian. Ini adalah biji-bijian. Jadi binatang-binatang yang tadi makanannya berbeda-beda. Ada yang makan rumput, daun, wortel, jagung, dedak, sama biji-bijian.
What does a cow give us? It gives us milk and meat. What do the hens give us? They give us eggs.